What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today, this actually shipped from LaPorte, Indiana. I live in South Bend, Indiana, so it is maybe an hour, It just depends on where you're coming from. From my house, it's probably just under an hour away. It shipped from American Licorice Company. It's hilarious. I never would have. So I bought this off Amazon, and they ordered it from LaPorte. Crazy. This, I don't want to show you my address, no offense. I'm sure there's... But this right here is a whole box of Redvines sugar-free strawberry. Not a reduced low-calorie food. Yeah, it's from LaPorte, Indiana. I never would have thought that. That's hilarious. It smells really good. But, yeah, I got a whole case of these. I'm not saying this is healthy, but I'm in the process of a weight loss journey, and I am trying to limit my sugar intake as much as I possibly can. So when I finally do have some sugar, I don't feel as bad about it. So getting a healthier version of something I like licorice, makes it easier for me. I need to go. I've been to LaPorte a few times, not a tremendous amount. I need to go there and see if they actually have a place where I could go in person and maybe get some good deals. But yeah, I ordered this off Amazon. I'm not sponsored by Amazon or Redvines, but I'd love to be. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com, that's riptapparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice. Save $3 or more off every shirt if you use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code when you're checking out. Have a great day, and let me know what some of your favorite candies are, some of your favorite sugar-free alternative candies in the comments below. Have a great day.